always stay best friends. Focus on your alchemy of love. Hold your guardian's love in your heart. Remember what your angels have for you. Neither distance nor time could keep you apart. Keep a light on, regardless of the color, and be kind through word and deed. Love each other more than yourself. Be wise, invite God into your life. You're protected by angels, ordained in 1995. Focus on your alchemy of love. Hold your guardian's love in your heart. Remember what your angels have for you. Neither distance nor time could keep you apart. Hey,